Good morning, this is Mrs. Suha Share. Today I will solve our revision sheet. Complete the following statement. Question number 1. Mass is fixed, stable, constant. You can say mass is fixed, stable, constant. It doesn't change by changing the place. Number 2. Dots and dots are measuring units of mass. Here I'm asking about units, so don't mix between units and devices. The units of measuring mass is gram and kilogram. Dots is equal the mass of one paper clip. Gram is equal the mass of one paper clip. But kilogram is equal the mass of 1 liter of distilled water. Number 4. Kilogram is used to measure large masses like fruits, like vegetables, while gram is used to measure small masses like chemicals, like jewelry, like silver and gold. Number 5. Mass is measured by different types of scales. We have 2 types of scale: 1 arm scale, 2 arm scale. The 1 arm scale divided into 2 types: 1 arm scale with a pointer with digital 1 arm scale. Why the 2 arm scale are divided into balance scale or sensitive 2 arm scale? Any answer of these are correct. You can write any 2 of these scales. Number 6. Factors affecting the weight. What are the factors that affect the weight? We have 3. Mass of the object, planet where the object exists, distance between object and center of Earth, MBC. Number 7. By increasing the mass of any object, its weight increase. Mass increase, gravity increase, weight increase. Number 8. Newton equals the weight of an object whose mass 100 gram. Newton equal 100 gram. Number 9. Weight of any body equal mass times 10. Weight equal mass times 10. While number 10, mass equal weight divided 10. 11. By increasing the mass of any object, its weight increase. 12. The weight of an object on the moon. I'm asking about the weight on moon. Moon equal 1/6 or 1/6. Number 13. The mass of the body is fixed, stable, constant, while the weight is variable. Variable means changeable. The weight change. Number 14. The object mass on moon. Okay, look at number 12 and number 14. In number 12, I'm asking about the weight on moon. Weight on moon. And this is equal 1/6. But in number 14, I'm asking about the mass on moon. Mass on moon equal mass on Earth. Because mass is fixed, doesn't change by changing the plate. Number 15. Number 15 is a problem in the form of complete. Your weight on Earth's surface is 600 Newton. So what is your weight on the moon? Weight on moon equal weight on Earth times 1/6. So 600 times 1/6 equal 100 Newton. Number 16. Heat transfer from higher temperature object to lower temperature object. From the higher to lower. So number 17. What is the heat? Heat is a form of energy. 18. Dots are the degree of hotness or coldness. Okay? Hotness or coldness, temperature. And I told you that when you find hotness or coldness, this is the key word of your answer, which is temperature. 19. We measure temperature by using thermometer. We measure temperature by using thermometer. 20. Dots and dots and dots are good conductors of heat. All metals are good conductors of heat. So you can write any metals: copper, stainless steel, iron, aluminium. All of them are right. 21. Dots and dots and dots are bad conductor of heat. Plastic, wood, wool, air, liquid, rubber. All of these are correct answer. 22. All metals are good conductor of heat. 23. Conduct heat faster than aluminium. Copper conduct heat faster than aluminium, and aluminium conduct heat faster than iron. Copper, aluminium, iron. 24. Plastic is bad conductor of heat, while copper is good conductor of heat. 25. Used in making cooking pots and kettles, aluminium and stainless steel. Aluminium and stainless steel. 26. Cooking pots are made of aluminium, stainless steel, while handles of cooking pots are made wood or plastic. You can write wood, you can write plastic. 27. Is the fastest conducting metal copper. 28. Woolen clothes and heavy blankets are used in winter to keep us warm, to make your body warm. 29. A device used to measure temperature, thermometer. 30. The main idea of thermometer is changing volume of liquid by changing temperature, where liquid expand by heating, contract by cooling. 31. Kinds of thermometers. Types of thermometers. We have medical and Celsius thermometer. 33. The thermometer is, what is the thermometer? A device used to measure temperature. Okay. 33. We can use thermometer to measure temperature of human body. We can use medical thermometer. Medical thermometer. 34. There is a construction in medical thermometer. We have only construction in the medical thermometer. 35. Scale of the medical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. 36. Celsius thermometer used to measure liquid temperature. Liquid temperature. You have to say liquid temperature. If you say liquid only, it will be incorrect. It will be wrong answer. You have to say liquid temperature. 37. The graduation of Celsius thermometer starts from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. 38. Celsius thermometer is used to measure liquid temperature, while medical thermometer used to measure human temperature. We should sterilize medical thermometer before using by ethyl alcohol. 40. Each degree in the medical thermometer is divided into 10 parts, and each part equal 1/10. 41. The liquid that's used in making medical and Celsius thermometer. What is the liquid inside thermometer? Mercury. 42. Water is freeze at 0 degrees Celsius and boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. 43. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. 44. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Mixture of gases surrounding the earth, attracted to the earth by gravity. 45. The most abundant gas in atmosphere. The gas which has the highest ratio. Which is the gas that has the highest ratio? Nitrogen. So the most abundant gas in atmosphere, nitrogen. Percentage of oxygen gas in atmosphere, 21%. 47. Carbon dioxide gas and other gases. I'm asking here about the carbon dioxide gas and other gases. This is 1%. But if I'm asking about carbon dioxide gas only, the answer will be 0.03%. Gas used in photosynthesis process. CO2, carbon dioxide gas. And gas evolved from this process, oxygen. Okay. 49. Oxygen gas produced from green plants during photosynthesis process. 50. Oxygen gas occupies about 21% or 1/5 fifths of air volume. 51. Oxygen gas in atmosphere used by respiration combustion, respiration burning. 52. The green plants produce oxygen gas during photosynthesis process and produce carbon dioxide gas during respiration. 53. Respiration and combustion needs what? Needs oxygen. 54. Hydrogen peroxide used in preparing oxygen. 55. Used as a catalyst. What is the catalyst in preparation of oxygen? Manganese dioxide act as catalyst. 56. Oxygen gas is prepared by decomposition of hydrogen peroxide gas in presence of manganese dioxide. 57. Oxygen react with magnesium. And I told you that when oxygen reacts with any element, it forms element oxide. So oxygen with magnesium oxide, which is white substance. During preparation of oxygen, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into oxygen and water. And look at 56 and 58. Oxygen gas is prepared by decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in presence of manganese dioxide into oxygen and water. 59. During preparation of oxygen in laboratory or in lab, oxygen collected by downward displacement of water. You have to say it, downward displacement of water. You have to complete your answer. 60. Oxygen is rarely dissolved in water. 61. Rapid or fast combination between oxygen and element, combustion or burning. 62. Slow combination, oxidation. Look at 61 and 62. Rapid combustion, slow combination, slow oxidation. Rapid combustion, slow oxidation. 63. Oxygen gas is scarcely, rarely dissolved in water. 64. Iron combined with oxygen forming iron oxide or rust. As I told you, oxygen with any element forming element oxide. So oxygen with iron forming iron oxide. Protect the earth from harmful radiation, ozone layer. Harmful radiation, ozone layer. But if I'm asking you about ultraviolet radiation, it will be atmosphere. Harmful radiation, ozone. Ultraviolet radiation, atmosphere. Dots and dots are from uses of oxygen gas. You can write any of the uses of oxygen gas. Respiration, formation of water, formation of ozone gas, used in a cylinder during mechanical ventilation. You can write anything. 67. Divers use oxygen cylinder. 68. When oxygen combined with an element, the mass of the product is larger than the mass of the element only. Element oxide larger than element only. 69. Ozone molecule is composed of 3 oxygen atoms. 70. Water molecule H2O consists of 1 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atom. H2O. Percentage of carbon dioxide gas. I'm now asking about carbon dioxide gas only. 0.03 and has a symbol of CO2. 72. Carbon dioxide molecule consists of carbon atom linked with 2 oxygen atoms. C, 1 carbon atom. O2, 2 oxygen atom. 73. Carbon dioxide gas produced from respiration and combustion of fuel and combustion of organic material. 74. Carbon dioxide gas is produced as a result of combustion of organic substances such as what? Tobacco, wood, gasoline. Any of these answers will be correct, and also produced from respiration of living organisms. 75. In photosynthesis process, plant absorb carbon dioxide gas, produce oxygen gas, while in respiration process, By the way, respiration is the opposite of photosynthesis process. In photosynthesis process, plants take carbon dioxide gas, produce oxygen. But in respiration, plants take oxygen, produce carbon dioxide gas. 67. Carbon dioxide gas change clear lime water into milky or turbid. 75. Carbon dioxide gas prepared in laboratory by dropping dilute hydrochloric acid over calcium carbonate. 78. Carbon dioxide gas can be obtained by on adding dilute hydrochloric acid to calcium carbonate. 79. Carbon dioxide gas is collected by above displacement of air. Why? Because it's heavier than air. 80. Carbon dioxide gas is used in making soft drinks. That's why when you're drinking a large amount of soft drink, that means you are swallowing a large amount of carbon dioxide gas. 81. Nitrogen forms 78%. Okay. And nitrogen contributes يعني make what in your body? Make a tissue. 82. Nitrogen molecule consists of 2 nitrogen atoms. Its symbol is N2. 83. Neuron or nerve cell. Neuron or nerve cell consists of 2 main parts, cell body and axon. Okay. 84. The axon of the neuron of the nerve cell is surrounded by fatty layer called myelin sheath. The brain consists of cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. 86. Keep the balance of the body. Maintain the balance of the body. Cerebellum. The color of outer surface of cerebrum gray and inner part is white. The 5 sensation centers located where in cerebrum. 89. The gray matter in spinal cord takes shape of a letter H. It has the shape of letter H and surrounded from outside with white layer. Human skeletal system. Our skeletal system consists of 2 main parts: axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton consists of skull, backbone, rib cage. Okay. 29. Joint is the location of meeting bones. Joint is the location of meeting bones. Okay, skull joints are immovable joint. We have 3 types of joint: immovable, slightly movable, freely movable. From the examples of freely movable is shoulder, wrist, hip. 95. Knee joint considered from slightly movable joint, while hip is freely movable joint.